Everyone, I am Dr. Anshu Arora. I'm a professor of marketing and the director for AI, social robotics and behavioral research lab at the School of Business and Public Administration in the University of the District of Columbia in Washington, DC.
And hello everyone, I am Amit Arora. I'm a professor of supply chain management and AI at the School of Business and Public Administration at the University of the District of Columbia.
And today we are here to showcase our robots. So you can see we have three different kinds of robots. We have a now robot looking at me directly. Well, the robot, actually follows your face, your voice. It has all the humanoid. These are all humanoid robots, by the way. So this follows my eyes, my voice, and gets trained with that. So that's a French-Japanese robot there. At the back that you see is a Pepper robot, which is again French-Japanese. And then we have our latest addition, which is the Farhat robot from Farhat Robotics in Stockholm, Sweden. And we use this for the AI and robotics curriculum, which Dr. Amit Arora will talk to you more about.
Yeah, so this whole lab started off as a research project where we got the National Science Foundation grant for research purposes, and then we thought that why don't we now bring it to the classroom. So we applied for another grant, the National Science Foundation, and the grant got accepted, and with the help of this grant we have started this new concentration in AI and robotics in business at the School of Business and Public Administration. So we are using these robots in the classroom, and maybe Anshu can talk about how we are using the Farhat robot in the classroom, and we'll be doing those experiments today.
So yeah, we use it. Currently our course on AI and robotics is all up and running, and this robot Farhat is adding a lot of value to our class because this robot is enabled with the ChatGPT, the large language model, and it can answer any questions under the sun. So what the students are currently doing is that they're giving a robotic persona to this robot, and this robot can take the voices and the face of, let's say, Barack Obama, or maybe a tennis player, Serena Williams, or maybe anyone. So it can be a female or a male personality. The robot gets all the information from ChatGPT, and the students can ask any questions. So the students are actually working on the robotic personas and giving those personas to the robot, and then they'll ask questions and they'll figure out how the robot responds to those questions. So that is a big project in robotics that we are doing currently for our class. There's a lot of human-robot interaction that's involved, and maybe Dr. Arora can talk about some AI tools that we are using in our class.
Yeah, so this is actually a mandatory course. Any student who is enrolled in the AI and robotics concentration has to take this course in AI and robotics. And apart from robotics, we are also taking care of the AI side. We talk about the AI agents, how to create AI agents using tools like Copilot, ChatGPT and Gemini, how to use the presentation tools. We can use the Gamma app, how to come up with presentations. We are also learning how to use Notebook LM. So that's another tool to summarize all the research. So we are exposing our students, and we are also learning together because this is such a dynamic field and things change every week. So we as professors, we have to keep abreast so that we can transfer that knowledge to our students. So that's something that we are doing. Another mandatory course that we have in this concentration is AI-enabled global logistics and supply chain management course. And we also have a set of electives. And one of the electives is a robotics course in marketing, which Anshu can really talk about.
So yeah, we do the marketing research in robotics, again undergraduate student course, and this is where undergrad students are involved. We're doing research in robotics. They look at robotics and regulation in robotics, robotic deception, hallucination, AI policy across the US, the United States, the European Union and China. So these are different projects that they're doing. We recently had a conference, the research conference, and the students have those big posters that you can see in the background. In the conclusion, I can just say that you're more than welcome to visit our lab, which is AI, Social Robotics and Behavioral Research Lab. And we welcome you all to be a part of our initiatives at the School of Business and Public Administration in the University of the District of Columbia. Thank you all. Thank you for listening. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.